Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Apecoin, suitably named after an exceptionally well-known creature in exchanging circles, is a digital money enlivened by the renowned NFT assortment, the Bored Ape Yacht Club. This ERC20 token basically is utilized for administration purposes in the ape environment. Primate controls the local area that is cash working at the front of Web3. Apecoin holders will actually want to especially conclude what heading the environment will create in, and can decide on how Apecoin DAO finances will essentially be conveyed. 62% of all ape tokens were designated to the Apecoin biological system store. They will be utilized to complete the undertaking's different drives. In spite of the fact that Apecoin truly does sort of have a genuine worth, its association with a NFT store makes many generally treat it as an image token, if not an overhyped shitcoin. Financial backers have separated conclusions on the Apecoin cryptographic money, with some being immovably behind it and others anticipating that its air pocket should burst in no time. In our Apecoin cost expectation, we will attempt to recognize both of these sides, and endeavor to really make a cost estimate that will find some kind of harmony between the two polarizing sentiments on Apecoin. Kindly basically recall that the items in this video don't for the most part comprise speculation guidance, and that you ought to continuously do your own examination prior to putting resources into any crypto. Presently, we should make a plunge. Apecoin technical analysis, as opposed to mainstream thinking. There in a real sense are a truly couple of motivations behind why it is unimaginably difficult to basically make Apecoin cost expectations. Its essential worth as a kind of token, first of all, is attached to a publicity subordinate task, a NFT assortment. Albeit the Bored Ape Yacht Club by and large is one of the greatest undertakings of its sort and generally has been begotten by numerous VIPs, it has previously begun declining in notoriety. Obviously, the undertaking isn't just about NFTs, it's tied in with systems administration with the rich and by and large renowned at in-person parties, about supporting a stage cools things in the blockchain business, and considerably more. Albeit numerous thoughts behind NFTs are staggering in principle, pretty many individuals are not as attached to them practically speaking. The worries we hear most frequently are genuinely legitimate, elevated degrees of force utilization, the speculative idea of crypto, absence of appropriate guideline, etc. Nonetheless, some of them really are now being settled. Presently it's simply a question of changing the public's insight. At the hour of composing, all specialized pointers really were showing a truly impressive bullish pattern for Apecoin, with the Ape/USD pair getting areas of strength for a signal on most specialized investigation stages. There's no truism the way in which Apecoin will act from here on out, yet it is clear it's siphoning at present. Apecoin Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Apecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Apecoin will for the most part be $8.21. The greatest level that the ape cost can reach is $9.18. The typical exchanging cost really is normal around $8.50. Chain price forecast for August 2022. In view of the value changes of Apecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ape pace of $7.56 in August 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $6.84 and at $7.77, separately. September 2022, Apecoin price forecast. Digital money specialists are really prepared to report their figure for the ape cost in September 2022. The very least exchanging cost may be $7.42, while the most extreme could reach $8.15 during this month. By and large, it generally is normal that the worth of Apecoin may be around $7.71. Guerrilla price forecast for October 2022. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value variances of Apecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ape rate they foresee may be around $7.94 in October 2022, or so they truly thought. It can drop to $7.58 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $8.53 amazingly. November 2022, Apecoin price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Ape cost will really be exchanged at $8.18 overall. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Apecoin worth to $8.85. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $7.82 in that frame of mind amazingly. Chin price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Apecoin costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $8.50. The in every way that really matters, least in Pinnacle Ape rates could be $8.21 and $9.18. Apecoin price prediction 2023, in opposition to prevalent thinking. After the examination of the costs of Apecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Apecoin will be around $12.05. The most extreme expected Ape cost may especially be around $14.25. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $12.48 in 2023. Apecoin price prediction 2024, or so they thought. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Apecoin, in 2024, Ape is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $17.63 and $20.98, separately, which in the real sense is genuinely huge. The typical expected exchanging cost for the most part is $18.13. Apecoin price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Apecoin and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Ape cost could drop to $25.61, while its greatest can reach $30.29. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $26.34. Apecoin price prediction 2026 in a significant manner. In view of the examination of the expenses of Apecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying fundamentally most extreme and essentially least Ape costs are normal in 2026, $44.41 and $39.50. By and large, it will be exchanged at $40.56. Apecoin price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Apecoin. In light of their expectations, the assessed commonly normal Ape cost will be around $58.93. It could drop to at least $57.31, however it actually could reach $67.56